Your secure server rack is a lie? NavePoint 12U Hinged Cabinet Review. Wall mount magic. Sick of tech setups that just don't cooperate? You know the feeling: cables everywhere, overheating hardware screaming for airflow, server units awkwardly jammed into whatever dusty corner you've got left. You want order. You need reliability. But every rack you've bought either breaks under pressure, rattles like it's haunted, or turns a simple patch panel swap into a full-blown nightmare. It's like your equipment is on strike. You didn't sign up to be a full-time server whisperer. And let's be real. Who wants to babysit a server cabinet with more attitude than actual security? Now imagine all that chaos in the middle of a deadline. Your boss wants uptime. Your client wants access. Your switch is overheating, your cables are a mess, and the cheap rack you trusted just said nope. You're boiling in stress, chasing bugs that shouldn't exist, missing critical ops because your gear's trapped behind bad design. Every minute lost is a business cost. Every failed cooling cycle is a data disaster waiting to happen. You didn't come this far to be taken out by a flimsy box with poor airflow and zero flexibility. Let that anger fuel your upgrade. Meet your new IT wingman. The NavePoint 12U Hinged Back Server Cabinet. It's the rugged, ready-for-anything rack that actually has your back, literally, with a swing-out rear gate for real access. With 2 fans, lockable tempered glass, and cold-rolled steel built like a tank, this baby doesn't buckle under pressure. It comes pre-assembled, wall-mountable, freestanding if needed, and sized to fit 19-inch gear with enough airflow to chill your whole setup. Whether you're running a small business or managing a chaotic AV corner, this cabinet brings instant relief and serious structure to your tech life. Let's talk perks, because this rack's got locking side panels? Yup. Reversible door with sleek tempered glass? You bet. Vertical rail adjustability and cage nut rails for that pro-level flexibility? Oh, absolutely. This thing isn't just a metal box, it's a cable-hiding, heat-fighting, server-loving fortress. It looks sharp, runs cool, and locks down tighter than your favorite playlist. Want hassle-free upgrades, tool-less access, and peace of mind with every install? Dive into the NavePoint Pro series. Your inner IT genius, and your sanity, will thank you. Don't sleep on this. This cabinet moves fast, literally, and in stock. Join thousands of network pros and home lab heroes who've ditched their wobbly racks for this heavy-duty beast. Limited units. Massive demand. It's not just about gear, it's about peace of mind, performance, and future-proofing your setup. Act now. Don't risk another cable catastrophe. Click below to upgrade your infrastructure and finally give your servers the fortress they deserve. Tap that buy button, lock it down, and breathe easy.